basically, again, more conservative, less conservative data show that today Ukrainian population collapsed, and it's between 25 and 35 million due to, first of all, mass displacement. So since 22, we have over 6 million refugees, mostly men and women, and 5 million IDPs, which makes formerly highly populated and highly urbanized areas, southeastern Ukraine, now the area of mainly aged populations, those who cannot leave or does not dare to leave their homes due to age, sicknesses, and so on. There's another source of depopulation. It's catastrophic birth rates. Fertility rates dropped below 1, which is one of the world's lowest rates, with 3 deaths for every birth in 2024. The third source of depopulation is military casualties. Right now, the official statistics of the number of people killed are known only for civilians, and it's below 30,000 people. However, the military staff mortality, which probably should be counted in tens or even hundreds of thousands, is not known neither in Ukraine nor on Russian side. And it mainly affects disproportionately young men and not young men. The average, well, according to the data of 23, the average age of Ukrainian servicemen in the army are 43, which shows how big is the portion of those over 50 who serve in Ukrainian army. Today, it is arguably changing a little bit towards 41 as an average age in Ukrainian army. However, the effect on the male population in Ukraine due to this war is connected not only to the deaths, but also to veterans heavily wounded who do not return to the ranks because of loss of either leg or a hand or some other type of heavy wound. And of course, there is a change in accessibility to health services in near-front settlements. So it's approximately from 2 to 3 million populations between Sumy and Kherson oblasts who have decreasing access to public health services.